Hi, it's Bill with the Home Premier team bringing you a news update. Here at the Home Premier team, we say that the Lehigh Valley is where we love to live, work, and play. And this week we have some great news about our area. As the number of warehouses increase and the economy improves, the valley is steep with available jobs. One of the area's largest companies, Amazon, just announced that they will be hiring 800 employees during the upcoming holiday season. As reported by Lehigh Valley Live and Amazon themselves, these jobs pay great wages and have a hefty sign-on bonus. Available jobs range from picking to packing all the way to shipping. Amazon is just one of the many warehouses and businesses flourishing in the valley alongside Lehigh Valley Health Network, St. Luke's Hospital, Mack Trucks, the Allentown School District. Do you love your job in the valley? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and tune in next time for another news update.